So where do non-industrial cybersecurity tabletops often miss ICS or industrial concepts? For one, if you're doing a tabletop and it's primarily IT focused, oftentimes these tabletops miss some of the context of industrial operations. If you take the IT side, understanding what may be doable when you're doing IT incident response might not be doable when you're on the OT side. Oftentimes you can't just pull a PLC from operation. You can't just easily go out and get data. You may not have an endpoint agent in the part of the plant that you hope to collect data from. It may be using different collection devices, different SIEMs, different network monitoring stacks in areas of the network, right? So oftentimes too, when you go through that, if it's an IT focused tabletop, it may miss that industrial process. Who do you need to call? Who needs to get involved? What are the safety things involved? Are there different call out chains? Are you calling different people in different situations? Are those people surprised they're in there, right? And so when you're doing OT tabletops, right, it's important to have that operational sense in mind of what makes the operation unique, and then who you need to coordinate with and how you actually deal with that data. And then also to that point, if you need to go out and collect data, who do you work with actually to go collect that data if it's in an area you need to work with other teams? Working between IT and OT, companies do it every day and it's possible. But when you're working through those tabletops and planning them, it's important to make sure you have people from both sides of the table. Or if the IR team and the incident response team is responsible for both, making sure you pull people in from operations, from the other areas you need to interact with, so everyone knows how to work together when the time comes for them to do that.